Hello everyone, welcome to this course on English vocabulary. In this session, we are going to talk about different professions, and if you want to do exercises related to these professions, then you can refer to the book Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Now let us start with today's session. Long ago in ancient Greece, there was a person who thought deeply about life's meaning, and this gave birth to philosophy. At another time, a Roman decided to build roads instead of cutting through jungles, and this marked the start of engineering. In the past, people exchanged things that were like money, and this led to the beginning of banking. In old times, most people spent their days working, doing jobs that helped them and others, even if those jobs weren't completely honest. These jobs added small contributions to the progress of the world. In this part of the story, we are going to learn about different jobs and the words that describe them. Now let us take the first profession. Think about a person who understands why we do what we do, like why we act in certain way or feel certain things. This person is called a psychologist. They work for schools, companies, and other places, helping to make things better for people. They can also talk with people privately or in groups to help them feel better. For the second profession, let us imagine someone who helps you understand your thoughts and feelings by looking at your past. This person is a psychoanalyst. They use special techniques to explore past experiences and help you deal with your worries and problems. Let's talk about an orthodontist. He's like an artist for smiles. They have special training to fix teeth that aren't straight. They make your smile look and feel better. And now, think about your eyes. An optometrist is a person who checks your eyes and helps you get glasses to see better. They make sure the glasses fit just right for you. A profession which is closely related to an optometrist or an ophthalmologist is an optician. He is the one who makes glasses, doctor's prescription, and make the glasses according to your needs. Let us see what an osteopath does. He is a healer who uses hands-on techniques to make you feel better. They believe that certain problems come from bones and blood vessels, and they help fix those problems without using any medicine. Now let us see who a chiropractor would be. He is someone who keeps your body in balance. They use careful movements to make sure your bones and spine are in right places, and this helps your body to work better. And then there's a professional called a podiatrist. He is someone who takes care of your feet. They help with things like foot pain, and they can even do small surgeries to make feet feel better. There's another interesting profession, and this professional is called graphologist. He's like a detective of handwriting. They study how you write to learn about your personality and traits. They can also check if signatures are real or fake. And lastly, a gerontologist is a person who understands the challenges of getting older. They help with things like money, social issues, and other problems that older people might face. They want to make sure seniors have a good and happy life. So these were the 10 professions that we discussed today. We will learn more about these words in our next session. Until then, see you and bye bye.